Welcome. So we actually got a car project on this time. We're down at Fresh Produce here. It's a E46, it's getting a turbo kit. So it's got one of God's motors here. Corey spent a lot of time cleaning it, so it looks like it just came out of the factory. He's got the turbo kit on, but what we're doing here is plumbing and electrical. So the first plumbing project is setting this up. So this is going to be a clutch delay valve in this car. We're going for this little Bambino. Nice and easy to mount. Fresh Produce is actually going to have a kit. So once we've finished building this, there'll be a kit online available. This is the it's a Tilton one that we've gone for. Part number, and it comes with a couple of valves in there that we can adjust. We've gone for the biggest one at the moment. It's actually not getting a super gnarly clutch in it. Pretty nice clutch. It should have enough give that if you drive a bit recklessly or clutch it when you probably shouldn't, you'll probably slip the clutch. The clutch delay valve's obviously going to help that, and it'll hold the power well. So that's what we've gone for, just be a single plate clutch. So we're going to work through. Of course, we're using BMRS. Going to crimp this bad boy up and get it done. Righto, so as you've seen, we've crimped these up, measured them, make sure they're in spec. This has an arrow on it for the direction. So free is heading towards when you apply the pressure. So when you apply the pressure, that's the free direction, and then it returns slowly the other way. So you just want to make sure you get that direction right. It is free is going towards the slave cylinder, so from the master towards the slave is the direction that we want. So get that direction right, crimps on, it's all going to be part of the kit. We do have to order a fitting to go from a -3 hose to a -4 fitting, because the fitting we have is a -4, which you can see. I'll show you. So this is a pretty sweet fitting. This goes from the factory line to -4. So we're going to get a -4 nut to -3 hose, and then we can crimp that off, get this thing installed. So this is what we've come up with. We are waiting on one fitting, but this is what we come up with for the E46. We've got a 45, we've got the stainless fitting in here. Comes around down. We're going to use a factory bolt hole for this, and a P-clamp, nice and solid. And if you need to change your pills inside, you can literally pop that off, unscrew it, comes up, drilled and tapped into this, and then that's going to end up just like that. So I just got to order that Monday, a -4 nut to -3 hose. So they're easy enough to get, and then this will be a kit that'll be offered. So come up sweet. We'll hopefully have this car done next couple of months and get out testing with it, work out exactly what pill. So if anyone wants to know some info on what clutch and pill setup, I'll let you know. Thanks for watching.